This is David Egan from Core Life Analytics. As you may remember, I've been adding various interactive technologies to our HC StratoMineR data analytics platform. This is an example that I showed you before of a nice interactive 3D plot that we've been using. And we're putting all of these interactive technologies in a package that we call visual data mining. So you can see here how it makes it a lot easier to kind of interact with your data. You can get a lot of insights out of this. So in a recent update, what we've done is we've added to our hit picking section a nice interactive data table. So here you are, and we're going to carry out our hit picking as usual, calculating our distance score here from the negative controls, and we're using a p-value cutoff of 0.5. So we'll hit explore data, and here are visualizations that come up that we've also improved. And down here you see the familiar hit list, and if you remember, you could download this into a text file, and then you would be able to maybe import into your favorite spreadsheet software to sort and play with that. So in order to make this possible within HC StratoMineR, what we've implemented is this interactive data table here. So it pops up in a separate window, and then there's a lot of fun you can have here. You can look for hits in an individual plate using this. You can of course look for hits within individual wells here. You can sort and filter according to your reagent class. Here are our positive controls, our HEC1s, and so we can remove these and we can say, okay, I'm only interested in looking at my samples. Then with any of these numeric columns here, such as these factor scores, what you can do is you can use these sliders to filter these. So for example, this would be useful for focusing on only distance samples that have a positive or a negative factor score, because of course your distance score is only positive. Then over here what you can do is with any of these you can rank things in either direction, from large to small or small to large. You can also do searches here. So example, in your reagent ID, let's do a filter based looking for these RPS genes with RPS in the title. As a nice example of the functionality of this, what you can do is you can, for example, use it for looking for hits that are perhaps non-toxic. So this is our valid object count. So let's just look for hits that have greater than around 500 genes, and then you can actually dial that in here. And now these are the hits which are greater than 500 cells in a well. And then at the end what you can do is you can also change the column visibility. So for example, we can hide these particular columns, and then you can either copy the whole table into the clipboard, or you can download it as a CSV file or an Excel file. So we think this will greatly enhance the functionality of the hit picking, and we think it'll make this very useful for you guys. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to save and continue. Bye bye.